All right, everybody, Josh Deaton with Sideways BBQ. So I'm here with Zach at Bankhead Brewery. So where they make some of the best beer I've ever had in my life. They've got so many assortments of beer, but they also have a lot of good food. And you wouldn't know it unless you come here to try it out, but they have a fire roasted pizza. So this pizza goes in a brick oven, and then they had an idea. So the idea was, let's partner with the very best award-winning brisket and have some of the best pizza you've ever had in your life. So now we have a pizza called the Sideways Pizza at Bankhead Brewery.
We called it the Across the Pond Sideways Pizza. It's gonna have nice caramelized onions on it, roasted jalapenos, there's nice fatty, juicy brisket that just comes right on it, and then a nice sweet barbecue sauce that just literally melts in your mouth, and it just so much flavor going on. We paired it with our Doppelbock, which is gonna have a nice malty flavor to it, so it's gonna cut down a little bit on the spiciness, but still give you a full flavor of aroma just in your mouth. Just amazing. It's awesome.
I can't wait to try this pizza, folks. So once we're gonna go ahead and go from start to finish. At the end of this video, I get to take a bite. I can't wait. My first time, so I really appreciate it, man. I appreciate you. This is a fireside pizza. This goes into an oven, this brick oven, and they do such an amazing job. I wish you could see this pizza, but look at this. Oh my God. So let's go ahead and take a bite and show everybody. So here's the pizza. Let's get up in here. First bite. Oh my God. Look at that, folks. So here we go. I got it down the hatch. I think I got some barbecue sauce on my face here. Oh my God, barbecue sauce and the best pizza and the best brisket. So it's available right now at Bankhead Brewery. Oh, if you don't come get one, you are missing the boat. Get you one of these pizzas and we will see you soon. And if you post a picture of your pizza here, you get a free fried rib, or we'll give you a free caboodle, but you gotta take a picture of your pizza, bring it in, show us that you were here, and we'll take care of you on the other side. So, hey, thank you guys for watching. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe, hit that button down there. We do a lot of how-to videos, and but we show a lot of updates and everything that we do. So anything, if you ever want to follow us and know what we're doing, subscribe. So love you guys. We'll talk to you soon. Bye. Mm.